Tips that work for successful affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is able to draw so many people in because there's a myth going around that it's an easy thing to do. Pushing someone else's product might seem simple on its face. After all, it's the company's brand and promotion that's ultimately selling the product. Right? Wrong? If this is how you think being an affiliate works, you need to watch this video. Make sure you understand how order tracking works with the affiliates that you have chosen. If the company is not careful with their tracking, especially on phone orders, you may lose commission. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraph short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. When you try to make money through affiliate advertising, it is important that you stay up to date with all of the new trends and outlets to make money. Many affiliate advertising programs change, making it important that you stay on top of what is going on with the programs that are available. As you've undoubtedly learned from the tips provided in the video above, you are essentially the company, the brand, even though it isn't really your product. You still have to treat affiliate marketing as your legitimate business, and the tips you've learned throughout this video will help you to brand yourself online. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.